Hello, grade 1. How are you? Welcome to the third session in our math course. Today, we are going to learn how to read and make picture graphs. Now, let's have a look together on this table. Okay, this is a survey. What is meant by the word survey? A survey means collecting data like asking questions to provide information regarding a specific topic. Like here, the survey is about the favorite activity at the fair. Basically, each drawing of these stands for one child. Okay, again, this is a very important information. It's the key of the problem, okay? Each drawing of these stands for one child. The question is, how do we make a survey? We make a survey by asking the following questions, okay? Let's go over the questions about the survey, okay? Question 1. Which activity did more children choose? Circle, okay? This is the activity of the animals and the activity of the rides. So who children chose more? The animals or the rides? Let's count to check out who chose more. The animals were, the number of children who chose the animals, is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 animals chose, 5 children chose animals. Okay, let's check out how many children chose rides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 children chose rides. So how many more children chose rides, or the children who chose animals? Of course, the number of children who chose the rides is more, okay? Because here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7. The number is 7. And here the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the number is 5. Okay, so we are going to circle the activity of the rights. Okay, this one. Question 2. How many children chose animals? Okay, we are going to count how many children chose animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are going to write here 5. Okay. Question 3. How many children chose rides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 children chose rides. Okay. Let's move on to question 4. How many fewer children chose animals than rides? Of course, as you can see here in the survey, that the number of children who chose animals is less than the number of children who chose rides. So if you want an answer to this question, we have to subtract how many fewer. So we are going to subtract the number of rides from the number of animals, okay? 7 minus 5 is equal to, so 2 fewer children chose animals than rides, okay? Let's move on to another survey that was made, okay? This survey is about the drinks for a lunch, okay? Obviously, as you can see. Here we have 3 drinks in our survey: milk, juice, and water, okay? Also here, each drawing stands for one child, okay? Let's count how many children chose milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the answer for our first question, because the first question in my survey is how many children drink milk. So, as we counted here, here are 8 children who drink milk, okay? Question 6, how many children in all means that we are going to find the total number of children who drink juice and water. These are the pictures for this is the picture for the juice, and this is the picture for the water, as you can see. Okay, so we are going to add the number of children who drink the juice, which is 3, and the number of children who drink the water is 5. So 3 plus 5 is, after 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Question 7. How many fewer children drink water than milk? Okay. How many fewer? When we see how many fewer, so I need to find the difference. So I'm going to subtract the number of children who drink the milk from the number of children who drink the water, because of course in subtracting we begin by the bigger number. We cannot subtract the number of children who drink the water first, because the number of children who drink the water is less than the number of children who drink the milk. Because look here, how many children drink milk? They are 8. And how many children drink water? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So of course 8 is bigger than the 5. So more children drink milk than water. Okay, so I'm going to subtract the number of children who drink milk, which is 8, and the number of children who drink water is 5. So 8 minus 5, we are going to count from the smaller number to the bigger number. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 3 fewer children. Now let's go to question 8. How many more children drink milk than juice? Now we are comparing here the number of children who drink milk with the number of children who drink the juice. Okay? How many more? Let's count how many children drink milk in order to compare it with the number of children who drink the juice. The number of children who drink the milk is 8. These are 8. Okay? And the number of children who drink the juice is 3. So I want to know the difference. Okay? So I'm going to subtract, as I did here. I'm going to subtract 8 from 3. 8 minus 3 is equal, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 5. So the answer is 5 more children. Question 9. How many children in all? I need to know here the total number of children who drink the 3 types that I have. Okay? The milk, the juice, and the water. So I'm going to count all the children that I have in my survey. Okay? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus the number of children who drink the juice is 3, plus 3, plus the number of children who drink the water is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 8 plus 3 plus 5, we are going to add normally 8 plus 3 after 8, because here we are adding after 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are going to write 11. Then we still have another number to add, so 11 plus 5. Also, we are going to put the 5 on our hand after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So the answer is 16 children in all, okay? Because here the question is, again, how many children in all? In all means that I'm going to count the total number of children in my survey, okay? Now let's move on to question 10. 4 new children joined the class. They drink juice at lunch, okay? They drink juice. I already have 3 children drink juice. Now 4 more drink the juice. So I'm going to add the 3 that I already have plus the 4 that joined the class. Okay, so 3 plus 4 is equal 7, because he told me that 4 children joined to drink juice at lunch. Juice. So I'm going to add the 4 to the 3. So the total number now is 7 children drink juice. Okay, Now, the question is, how many more children drink juice than water? Pay attention. This is my question. How many more? When I say how many more, so I have to subtract in order to find how many more children drink juice than water, okay? Now, we said that the number of children who drink juice is 7, and the number of children who drink water is 5. So, of course, 7 is bigger. So, I'm going to put it first. 7 minus 5 is equal to, because we counted from the small number to the bigger number.